Role of men in Islam as husband. 1. Guardianship and responsibility. Men are regarded as the guardians of their families. The Quran states, men are the maintainers of women because Allah has made some of them excel others. Quran, Surah An-Nisa, 434. Men have a greater responsibility in supporting their families. Through wisdom, they can support their families and create a happy home. 2. Taking care of your wife. A man's duty is to care for his wife. Marriage is not hiring a servant, it's selecting a partner and friend for life. A man must understand his wife's behavior, desires, and program his life accordingly. Quranic reference, and women have rights similar to the rights of men in a just manner. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, 228. 3. Express love and kindness. A woman longs to be loved. A successful man in a happy marital life expresses love towards his wife. A woman's existence depends on compassion and affection. Hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Man is the guardian of his family, and every guardian has responsibilities towards those under his guardianship." 4. Comprehensive character traits. A true Muslim man embodies good character traits taught by Islam. He is just, kind, compassionate, forgiving, responsible, hard-working, humble, patient, truthful, trustworthy, and courageous. He honors women, controls his desires, and seeks knowledge. Hadith, Ali ibn Abi Talib said, "Justice is to have a sense of fairness, and excellence is to prefer others to yourself." Al-Muli'a 197th. 5. Foundation of a man. Umar ibn al-Khattab said, "The foundation of a man is his intellect, his honor is in his religion, and his manhood is in his character." At Abaldanya wal dn 17 squared 6. Emulating the Prophet and righteous predecessors. Men should continually refine their intellect, improve their character, and emulate the character of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his righteous followers. Manhood encompasses all religious virtues in Islam.